My goodness, only a week old and look how you're moving. Look at you. Uh-oh. How can you do that? Oh my goodness. You keep that up, you're going to turn right over. Hello. Hey, big boy. That's my big boy. That's my big boy. Hello. That's my big boy. You're so good. Oh, you're doing great. Look at that. Oh, I think we're a little bit hungry maybe. Look. Oh. Uh-oh. I thought he was going to go over.
Not with his arm up like that. His arm would have to go up straight.
Yeah. Okay. Say bye, Brayden.
Bye, Brayden.